A business idea that can save our future generation from being slave of their bad addiction. So basically the whole idea here is that we will develop a kind of app or in software that will help users to eliminate their bad addictions completely. Because look, all kind of bad addictions like phone addiction and addiction to any other substance have these 4 laws in common. And first, there is a cue, means noticing the reward. Second, there is a craving. Third, there is a response, and 4 is the reward itself. Now our goal here is to provide the user best and generalized strategies to break this bad habit loop. For example, we can make the strategies to eliminate the cues, reduce the craving, and make that response harder to perform. This will provide them practical ways to apply instantly and stay away from their bad habits. In such following way, we will cover every single detail and make strategies to beat an addiction. And we will convey these methods and strategies to user with some features like this. The first feature will be AI-powered accountability system. This virtual assistant should be providing 24/7 assistance, answering questions, offering encouragement, and providing resource tailored to the user's need. Now the second feature is digital supportive community. The app should connect the users with others facing the similar challenges and help them to share personal stories and milestones with each other, which can be done through group chat and many ways. And the third feature will be personalized addiction recovery coaching, which will be offering subscription-based service that provide personal coaching through a mobile app. And in this way we can solve the problem of many people who are addicted to either their phones or any other substance, or they are addicted to binge eating or watching social media all day long. Because the next generation is going to be dependent upon the technology, and by executing such business idea we can make the positive use of technology and solve the problem of millions of people out there. I hope this idea fits the best, but it still needs to be improved and to be worked on.